Welcome. This time, you are going to learn how to add and open external links on your scenes. In our previous tutorial, you learned how to use overlays and how you can open and close additional information, like the specifications. If you have not seen that tutorial, please feel free to check it out. This time, you may want to open this information separately. You can use external link. I saved an image in our cloud previously, so now I can go to the outliner and select external link. You can change the name and select if you want to open this information in the current tab or in a new one. Paste the link or address that you want to open with this node below. Now you can trigger this information to any trigger like UI or 3D asset. That's it for this short tutorial. Thank you for watching.